Available at the member tier of our installer scheme is your company listing on our installer directory. Your company's listing is a public-facing profile on our installer directory on our website, which showcases your company's Urmet installations and expertise. Our installer directory is used daily by developers, management companies and contractors to find the right installer for their project. So having a listing both boosts your company's profile visibility and can help to generate new potential leads. Your company listing includes a company bio highlighting your core services, your company's installer scheme tier, the Urmet systems you've installed and been trained on, installation images or videos, relevant case studies or testimonials, key contact information, company addresses and opening hours, and your social media channels. When you sign up to our installer scheme, we will work with you to create your company listing. As your company progresses up the tiers, we will keep it up to date, but if you have anything you'd like to add to your listing, make sure to let us know. If you'd like to find out more about becoming an Urmet installer and the company-wide benefits it provides, you can either click the link at the top of the screen or get in touch with us at support@urmet.co.uk.